Are you experiencing error code NP-104627-0 on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Sign back to PSN account. When you are getting error NP-104627-0 on your PS5, sign back into your PlayStation Network account. Often, this can resolve the error by refreshing your account details and connection. To do this, navigate to Settings, then Users and Accounts, then Account, then Sign In. If you are already signed in, try signing out and then sign in. Enter your PlayStation Network account's email address and password. Confirm that you were signed in and then check if the error code has been resolved. Method 2. Restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor bugs and errors that can be responsible for the issue. To do so, press the PlayStation button on your controller. Scroll down to Power and select Turn off PS5. Wait for the PS5 to completely turn off. Unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5 for about 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the power cable back in and turn on your PS5. Method 3. Restart your router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem. Wait at least 5 minutes, turn them back on, and now check if that could resolve the issue. Method 4. Check for updates. Make sure your PS5 system software is up to date. Outdated system version can also cause the game to crash. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then select System Software section. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Method 5. Choose a wired connection. When your PS5 loses connection to the server, using an Ethernet cable can help because it provides a direct wired connection between your console and the internet source. Unlike Wi-Fi, which can be affected by interference from other devices, obstacles, and distance, an Ethernet cable ensures a stable and consistent connection. The stability reduces the likelihood of connection drops and can result in faster data transmission speeds, making your gaming and streaming experiences smoother and more reliable. By minimizing the factors that can cause interruptions, an Ethernet connection can help maintain a strong and continuous link to the server, reducing the chances of losing connection. Method 6. Change the DNS settings. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings. Select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 7. Contact support. If the previous methods shown did not resolve the issue, you may need to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. Clearly state your problem and follow the instructions provided by their experts to address the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing NP-104627-0 on a PS5 console. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned, click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.